Thinking about launching an LLC? It's a smart way to protect your personal assets, like your home or vehicle, from certain legal risks. Want to see how to handle each step smoothly? Stick around as we walk through the key stages of setting up an LLC in Tennessee, highlighting some tips along the way. First, picking a good name isn't just about branding, it's about complying with state rules. Your LLC's name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or similar abbreviations, and avoid words like corporation or incorporated unless authorized. It also shouldn't resemble any government agency. To check availability, use the free Tennessee Business Name tool, something you'd want to do before registering your domain, which helps with online visibility. Early domain registration, even if not immediate, positions you well for future growth and recognition. Next, select a registered agent. This legal requirement can be a person or company with a physical address in Tennessee who's available during business hours. Many prefer hiring a commercial service like filingfox.com to maintain privacy and get extra support, such as mail forwarding, for under $10 a month. Using a professional service keeps your personal address off public records and ensures someone is always reachable if your LLC faces official notices or legal actions. The core step involves submitting the Articles of Organization, Form SS4270, either online for convenience or by mail if preferred. The fee starts at $300 and costs can increase with the number of members. If your LLC is from another state but plans to operate here, you'll file a different form, the SS4233, with identical fee rules. Filing can be done online for swift processing or via mail, and contact with the Secretary of State can be made for paper forms if you prefer. Though not mandatory, drafting an operating agreement is highly advisable, especially for multiple owners. This document clarifies management roles, voting rights, and profit sharing. It can prevent disagreements and is often needed to open bank accounts or secure loans. To streamline this, a free template is available on the Filing Fox website, alongside a business plan generator. Finally, obtain an employer identification number, or EIN. This is free and straightforward to secure through the IRS website. An EIN is essential if you plan to hire, open a business account, or need to establish credit for your company. After your LLC is registered, keep personal and business finances separate. Use dedicated accounts and cards to protect your limited liability status. Think about insurances like auto or workers' comp if applicable. Launching your website early improves online presence, and hiring a good accountant can help maintain sound financial health as your business grows. All these steps and more details are accessible through the links in the description. For tailored support or questions, contact us at info@filingfox.com. Setting up an LLC doesn't have to be complicated when you have the right guidance. Filing Fox is here to help you through the process. Equals.